Hello and welcome to the A.E.Mackintosh channel. Here we are. I wanted to show you this job here that we've been doing. There's a big building here, sheltered accommodation, where we clean the windows every month. So it's a nice big job, and I usually do it together with Paul. The two of us come and do it. It takes the best part of a day for us to get around this job. Around the back, lots of awkward bits and pieces to do as well. The great thing about doing a big window cleaning job like this is that sooner or later they're going to ask you to clear out the gutters. So that's what we're actually doing today. We've got a big gutter clearing job. We're going to be using the Skyvac Industrial, big heavy duty machine for a big heavy duty purpose. And in particular, this is probably the highest spot in the guttering, just up here. So there's all sorts of different problems. It's a banked area over the side there, and these big gutters. We'll show you how we get on, how we tackle it. So let's go. Using as many poles as this. How many have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 poles just do this section. We were using 8 or even 9 poles just round the corner. So when you're building up a lot of poles like this, you don't really want to build them up along the ground and then lift the poles. It's a strain on your opening. It's a strain on the poles themselves. So if you can find a little corner like this, or you can do it up against a downpipe piece of guttering, anything like that. Just so you can rest the top of the poles as you dismantle them. So it's a much safer, much easier way of assembling or dismantling the poles. There we go. Okay. With any gutter cleaning machine, this can happen, where if the material in the gutter is very sort of silt, it's very sludgy and grainy, it can build up in the inside of the hose. You can tell because the hose becomes quite heavy. You can feel the weight of it, and you can tell when you look in the machine and you empty the machine. So what we're going to do, just got like half a bucket of water here. So we're just going to suck up a couple of litres of water, flush through the hose, give it all a good clean out, and help optimise the suction power as well. So it's really good for that. So here we go. Get in there, Paul. So there we go, made light work of that, didn't it? Didn't last long. Good scene. You can actually see in there now, it's nice and clear. And if we take a look in here, you can see all the sludgy waters ended up inside. Nice thing about this model of the Skyvac, we've got the drainage basket there, so you can actually see all the sludge that's sitting on top in the basket. And then we can literally just release the water. There we go. Makes the whole thing really easy to work with. This is where the all-terrain chassis comes in useful. Look at the terrain here.